Hello everyone, and welcome back! If you love beautiful handmade crochet creations, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share a wonderful collection of crochet baby frock dresses that combine elegance, comfort, and timeless style. Whether you're an experienced crocheter, a beginner looking for inspiration, or simply someone who appreciates handmade fashion, I hope these adorable designs give you plenty of creative ideas. As you watch, you'll notice that each crochet baby dress has its own unique charm. From soft pastel colors to vibrant shades, every design reflects the beauty and creativity that crochet brings. The delicate stitch patterns, lovely textures, and carefully crafted details make each dress truly special. Crochet baby dresses are not only beautiful but also practical. Handmade garments are soft, comfortable, and perfect for delicate baby skin. They're wonderful choices for birthdays, baby showers, family gatherings, christenings, photo sessions, or simply dressing your little one in something unique and made with love. Throughout this collection, you'll see a variety of styles. Some feature simple and elegant patterns, while others include decorative flowers, layered skirts, ruffled sleeves, lace details, and charming bows. Every dress showcases how a few crochet stitches can be transformed into something truly stunning. One of the best things about crochet is that you can personalize every project. You can choose your favorite colors, add ribbons, buttons, flowers, or create matching headbands, shoes, and accessories to complete the look. These small touches make every handmade outfit one of a kind. If you're creating gifts for family or friends, crochet baby dresses are always thoughtful and memorable. A handmade dress carries warmth, care, and love that simply can't be found in mass-produced clothing. That's one of the reasons crochet continues to be loved by people around the world. I hope this collection inspires your next crochet project and introduces you to new ideas, color combinations, and beautiful stitch patterns. Don't be afraid to experiment and add your own creative style. Sometimes the simplest design becomes the most beautiful when made with patience and passion. I'd love to know which dress is your favorite. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest crochet inspiration. We regularly share beautiful crochet dresses, baby outfits, stylish blouses, handbags, home decor ideas, and many more creative crochet collections. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support, and I hope these lovely crochet baby frock designs have inspired you to create something beautiful. Until next time, stay creative, keep crocheting, and have a wonderful day. Happy crocheting!